Hey guys, my name is Cyrus and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a shopping haul, a try on haul and a how to tuck video. This video is specifically aimed at trans women who might have just started their transition and may not know which bras and knickers to get. So I'm going to be showing you which ones I get. Then I'm going to be trying everything on and showing you how I use the knickers to tuck, because I don't use tape, I just use the knickers. I'm not going to tell you what shop I'm going to yet guys, just have to wait and see, but I will see you all when I get there. Bye. So guys, I've arrived at the place I'll be shopping at. I just hope that it's not ridiculously busy, but I'm here. Primark. Morning. It's quite busy, but it's not like ridiculous. Right guys, we'll start with bras. The bras that I get are the maximised ones, as you can see. These are the ones what have like padding in them, so you don't need to like stuff your bras with anything like socks. I'm sure that I'm not the only person who's done that when first transitioning. So I'm just looking to see if there's any that I like. So in terms of like which size I get guys, I have been on hormones for many years now, so I have got my own like breasts, you know, but I don't actually know what size they are because I've never like been measured or anything like that. So in terms of bras, I kind of just know what size to get from looking at them. If you've not started on your hormones yet and you've got like no breasts or anything yet, these are still great to wear because they will give you really natural, authentic looking breasts. It will look really, you know, realistic underneath like a top or something, underneath your clothes, whatever. Or if you have started your hormones, like I have, and you've got, you know, some breast tissue there, these will just nicely enhance whatever you've got. And like I said, you know, I'm quite a modest size, meaning that, you know, there have been days where I've, for whatever reason, wanted the appearance of bigger breasts. So then I've literally just come here and picked a bigger size, you know, and that's the good thing about being transgender and having, you know, modest size breasts, is that you can just pick whichever size you want, really. Because I don't really use them for support, you know, I use them for, you know, the appearance of you know, having something there. I kind of just like match my own stuff, you know. I kind of like, I'll buy like a black bra and then I'll go and buy some black knickers and I'll just match it myself, you know. Although I might actually get a matching set, because these look like something I could wear over the top of the knickers I used to tuck. So I quite like this black one here. So I'm just going to find a size that I like. As I said guys, I just know from looking really. Let me have a look. So that's maybe a little bit too big, that one. I think I'm going to go for this one guys. So that looks about the right size for me. There's some maximise over here as well guys, look. So guys, skin coloured bras and skin coloured knickers are great if you're worried about your underwear showing through your clothing. Get skin coloured ones like this and you won't have that problem at all. So guys, I'm going to get this as well. If you're curious about the size, that is the size. So guys, this is the one I'll be getting. Again, if you're curious about the size is that. I hate that, you know, when you go to a shop and people are they just don't care about the people who are going to be shopping after them. They just leave things on the floor. I don't know how I walked past this earlier and I didn't realise how nice the colour was. So guys, I'm going to get this one. Again, if you're wondering about the size, that's the size. And they also do the matching knickers, so if they've got my size, I think I'll be getting those as well. So guys, the knickers that I get are these ones. They're the ones that I wear in the daytime. They're super stretchy, and they're the ones that I showed you on the you don't need tape to tuck video. You don't want like thongs or anything like that. You want something that's going to cover you on both sides. A thong just won't help you tuck at all. Right guys, now I'm going to show you which knickers I get to wear for bed. Because I wear different ones for bed than I do for the daytime, you know. So I'm basically just looking for, you know, a design that I like really. I like these ones. But again, be careful guys, because, let me just show you. They do all different styles. Look, these are all the different styles here. Again, you're not going to be wanting thongs, guys, or Brazilian. If you're transgender and you're trying to like use your knickers to tuck, I'd either get hipster, full breathes, and maybe short. I recommend them less, to be honest with you. I generally get hipster or full briefs. Look on the packet because it says what they are. They also do just plain white ones and plain black ones, and again the flesh coloured ones. There's some at the bottom what I quite like. Now I've just got to find them in my size. They're thongs. Bloody hell, this is... I forgot how hard this was. Right, they're all large. I kind of like these ones, look. Okay guys, I've found the hipster ones. I'm just looking for a design that I like now. Oh, what about these? Let me have a look at the... These look quite nice. And I'm sure they've got a colour in here what matches my bra, what I've just got. So guys, I'm going to be getting these ones. And if you're curious about the size, that's the size. And I'm also going to be getting these ones. Again, if you're curious about the size, it's the same size as the ones before. And I'm also going to be getting these ones. And again, same size. And I think that's it for knickers. Oh, look at that, guys. I don't know why I love it so much, but I think it's the sleeves. They're like so unusual, you know, with like the flower design on. I don't know, do I want them? Why not? They're kind of funky. Let me get them. They're cute. These are cute. Walt Disney. I actually really like them. And look what it says on it. If you cannot say anything nice, then do not say anything at all. I think I'm going to get them. I actually really like that. I really do. I do, I'm going to get it. If you cannot say anything nice... Oh, hang on a minute, because I don't know if they do these in my size. So guys, it's almost a week later. Everything's been washed, dried, and I've laid it all out on my bed ready to try on. So guys, first I'm going to show you how I tuck. I'm not going to do it from being completely naked, obviously, but all the knickers go on the same way anyway. So when I put the second pair of knickers on, the third pair of knickers on, the way I'm going to put them on is how I put the first pair on anyway. How can I word this? I grabbed my bits, I pushed them all the way back and across my legs, so they were behind, you know, and my legs crossed, like this. Now, this is going to sound so crude. Basically, your testicles. Right, you can push your testicles back with everything else, or you can You know, you can have them up here. Sometimes they like sit up here, you know. Either way, it doesn't really matter because I I push mine back with everything else, and then sometimes throughout the day they naturally move up here. So, and either way you can't see anything anyway, so either or. By the way, it's not just a case of putting the knickers on, there is a bit of a knack to it. So basically what you want to do is get your first pair of knickers. I'm going to pretend this is my first pair because I don't want to do this from being completely naked, but all the knickers go on the same anyway. So basically what I did was I pushed all my bits back, everything, and I crossed my legs over everything. So I'm going to pull them until it's resting against, you know, my bits, and then I'm gonna pull everything back like that. Now the third pair, same thing. Pull them out and pull everything back and adjust. And basically that's all there is to it. You know, that's as simple as it is. Now, depending on what clothing I'm wearing really determines how many knickers I wear. If I'm just wearing my pyjama bottoms quite baggy, and I'm at home and I'm on my own, I'll wear one pair of knickers because it doesn't really matter if anything's going to show through because I'm on my own, in my own house, I'm in bed, you know, it doesn't really matter. If I'm at a family's house, say, and again I'm wearing pyjama bottoms, I'll put two pairs on. Now 2 pairs isn't a super secure tuck, but you can get away with wearing 2 pairs of knickers under baggy pyjama bottoms, also under baggy tracksuit bottoms. Now if I'm wearing skinny jeans, I will wear 3 pairs of knickers, sometimes 4. If I'm wearing a dress or a skirt, I will wear 3 or 4 pairs of knickers. Now you might be thinking, well, why would you wear 3 or 4 pairs when the dress is gonna cover everything anyway? In the unlikely event that the wind is gonna blow the dress up, I want everything to look perfectly tucked, just in case I do have a, you know, a mishap like that. So as you can see, I've got 3 pairs of knickers. Everything's pretty much concealed. ever so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and click that bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, please follow me on my socials. They are on screen now. Be safe and be kind. Bye.